2015. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today unveiled the master plan for the redevelopment of Barik project at the PWD complex in Barik, marking the occasion by hoisting and inaugurating a 131 feet tall national flag mast. The comprehensive project, valued at Rs 25 crore, will transform the complex into a vibrant space featuring a pedestrian plaza, open ground, stepped plaza, taxi terminal, parking facilities, a restaurant, kids play area, workshop zone and vehicular entry and exit points. In his speech, Sangma emphasized that the complex will serve as a symbol of unity for the entire country, not just the state. The project is slated to commence in October or early November.
That this particular, we want this particular location to be actually a symbol of the unity of our state. We want this particular location to be the symbol of unity for our country. And therefore, we are going to explore the different names. Barik Point is, of course, some word we have been using here for a long time, but we strongly feel we need to rename this location and something that will signify unity of our state, unity of our culture, unity of our communities, unity of our tribes, and the unity of our nation.
Union Minister